In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your website in GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, sign into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area so you can access your account options. From there, click on My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the products and services connected to your account, including your websites. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to update, especially if you manage more than one. When you find the correct website, select it and choose the option to edit the website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site visually and in real time. Once you're inside the editor, go to the specific page where you want your blog to appear. This is important because the blog section will be added to whichever page you're currently editing. If you want it on a dedicated blog page, make sure you open that page first before moving on. Now click Add Section. This lets you insert new content blocks into the page. In the search bar, type blog to quickly find the blogging section without scrolling through all the available options. When the blog options appear, choose a layout that fits the style of your website. GoDaddy usually gives you a few design choices, so pick the one that best matches your branding and page structure. After selecting a layout, wait a few moments while it gets added to your site. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a short moment, so give it time to load fully before continuing. After the blog section has been added, click Start Writing. This is where you begin creating your blog content and customizing how your posts will appear. You can adjust the layout, text, and overall presentation so the blog feels consistent with the rest of your website. Take your time here to make sure everything looks clean, readable, and professional. Once you're happy with the way your blog is set up and customized, click Publish. Publishing is the final step that makes your changes live on your website, so visitors can see the new blog section. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog to your website in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you're following along, just move carefully through each part of the editor and double-check the page you're editing before you publish.